a ride in the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, navigation system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.